Welcome to Talkpoint. The US Supreme Court has agreed to take up a case that could change the rules for artificial intelligence in politics, especially how AI can be used in election and political advertising. The decision could shape the 2026 campaigns and set the first nationwide limits on AI in political arena. US Supreme Court exterior justice entering the courtroom, AI-generated political ads on screen. At the heart of the case is whether the federal government can impose strict limits on AI-generated political content without violating the First Amendment's free speech protections. The case stems from a 2024 law, the Artificial Intelligence Election Integrity Act, which bans the use of deepfakes and other deceptive AI-generated image or audio in campaign advertising without clear disclosure. Congress voting, President signing the law, AI-generated deepfake examples. The law was challenged by a political action committee or PAC that argued the restrictions are too broad and could limit legitimate political expression. They say not all AI-generated content is misleading and that the government should not decide the political message can or cannot be created. PAC press conference, protest signs, reading, protect free space. Supporters of the law pointed to a growing wave of AI deepfakes in politics, from fabricated videos of candidates making false agreements statements to altered images designed to mislead voters. They argued that without regulation, AI could flood social media with falsehoods, making it nearly impossible for the public to tell fact from fiction. Split screen showing real versus deepfake videos, social media feeds. The case is drawing national attention because it could be the Supreme Court's first major ruling on AI. Legal experts say that it could set the standards for balancing technological innovation with the need for election integrity. Depending on how the justice ruled, the decision could either expand or restrict the government's ability to regulate emerging technologies in political space. Legal scholars in interviews, law books, courtroom sketches. The stakes are especially high with the 2026 midterm just over a year away. Campaign strategists are already experimenting with AI tools for voter outreach and creation and personalized messaging. A ruling against the law could open the door to an even greater role for AI in politics, while a ruling in favor could put strict guardrails in place. Political rallies, AI software interfaces, campaign ad editing rooms. This is not just about politics. Free speech advocates, technology companies, and civil rights groups are all filing briefs in the case. Tech firms say overly strict rules could stifle innovation, while civil rights groups warn that unchecked AI could be weaponized to target minority communities with tailored misinformation. Tech company headquarters, community advocacy groups speaking at events. The Supreme Court is expected to hear oral arguments this fall, with a decision likely by mid-2026. Until then, political campaign will be navigating a legal gray era, knowing that wherever the court decide could redefine the rules of political speech in the AI era. This is Talkpoint. We will be following the case closely and bringing you updates as it unfolds. For more coverage on technology, politics, and the law, subscribe and turn on notification. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next update.